Yeah. No, you might take out the bank. Don't worry about it.
Am I going?
Yeah.
I'm going anyway, so... 8.
Community chest.
Yes!
No, not community chest. Marmaloo.
No! Roll! Roll! Roll!
Why are you telling us to roll? It's your property. Roll!
I've just rolled.
Oh, you could have bought that.
I don't want to buy it.
Why did you tell us to roll
Roll
then?
Because I thought it was Ellie. So Ellie went, it's mine! I was like, no, don't. Hannah, I'm getting confused to which one's yours. That's what's the matter.
Okay. Well, you said Ellie had it anyway, not me. Mine are here. Not that's mine.
No.
Go back to Old Kent Road. Oh,
Oh,
one
sick.
space.
Pardon you. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.